Hi, I'm Ed, and this is my TimberTech story. This is Smith Point, New York. We're right on the Great South Bay with the Atlantic Ocean about half a mile away. When I got here, the deck was original to the home. It was one level, no railings, and a lot of wood that needed to be replaced. I started visiting at a lot of home centers and spoke with a lot of lumber yards. After 3 or 4 meetings with Steve, we compared products and he showed me all the different colors, variety, style. He really highlighted all the benefits with TimberTech.
We recommend TimberTech 100% of the time when we're working on a waterfront or a dock area. The reason why is it's a low maintenance product and it's resistant to the weather. It's something that's going to be here for a very long time.
You get something that would last a lifetime. Its durability, colors were attractive also. The railings, I wanted a modern type look, contemporary look, so it all kind of pulled together.
My favorite part about this project was the lighting. The lantern lights fit this project perfectly because they look like mini lighthouses.
It's probably one of the coolest things about the deck because it does add a glimmer of elegance at night, and it gives you a lot more time out on the deck.
I knew we nailed the project when we started installing cable rail from TimberTech. It just made everything become one.
A lot of people said how wonderful it was and how the dynamic of the house changed. We've done a lot of parties and entertaining, and it's about low maintenance as you're going to get. I added basically another house with this outdoor space. I have a great view and I can really enjoy that all the time now, and the space lends itself to really having 30, 40 people here comfortably. Honestly, when I come home and I'm on my TimberTech deck, I feel like I'm on vacation every day. It's a blessing. TimberTech, it's everything wood should be.